Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup social media content drafts using Buffer Drafts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your social media content drafts using Buffer Drafts, first, log in to your Buffer account. Once logged in, navigate to the Buffer dashboard. Look for the Drafts option on the left sidebar. Click on the Drafts option to view all your saved drafts. Identify the draft you wish to back up. Click on that specific draft to open it. You will see the content of your draft displayed on the screen. Next, select the text within the draft. Right-click and choose Copy to copy the content to your clipboard. Open a text editor or a document application of your choice. Create a new document in this text editor. Right-click in the new document and select Paste to insert your copied draft content. After pasting, consider organizing your drafts by title or date for better management. If your draft includes images or media, note their locations for future reference. Save the document with a clear and recognizable name. It's ideal to include the date or topic in the file name for easy retrieval later. Repeat this process for any other drafts you want to back up. Once all drafts are backed up, you may choose to store them in a dedicated folder. You can also use cloud storage for additional security. Regularly check and update your backups to ensure all new drafts are saved. That's it. You have successfully backed up your social media content drafts using Buffer Drafts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.